That's like an alarm clock.
Yeah, straight dip.
I am in London and I've pretty much had my hair like this for the last 48 hours. Like on the plane, always, the air on the plane always dries your hair out. And I generally get quite dry scalp and like flaky skin. I thought I would give the Bondi Boost Dandruff Repair shampoo and conditioner a try and see how it goes. My hair always gets so dry once I leave it in braids. So because I do leave conditioner in my hair, it also goes quite flaky and I give myself dandruff pretty much. So I'm really excited to try this shampoo and conditioner.
If you want me, if you need me, I'm yours. If you want me, if you need me, I'm yours. If you want me, if you need me, I'm yours.
I'm really impressed with how the Bondi Boost Dandruff Repair shampoo and conditioner worked on my hair. Usually a lot of shampoos and conditioners leave my hair very dry and bristly, but this one really left my hair feeling nice and soft, and it smells amazing, and most of the dandruff is gone. So I'm excited to keep trying this, and I hope you guys have the same joy that I did.
If you want me, if you need me, I'm yours. If you want